The 2026 BMW X7 continues to uphold its reputation as a flagship luxury SUV, blending opulence, advanced technology, and performance into a single, commanding presence on the road. BMW's largest SUV enters the 2026 model year with subtle yet impactful refinements that enhance both its aesthetics and functionality, offering a premium experience for those who demand the best in their automotive lifestyle. From the outside, the X7 maintains its bold and imposing stance. The signature kidney grille remains prominent but refined with illuminated edges, giving the front fascia a more modern yet regal appearance, especially at night. Paired with slimmer, adaptive LED headlights and a redesigned bumper that integrates air curtains more effectively, the 2026 X7 feels more dynamic and sophisticated. The rear has also received updates, with sleeker tail lights featuring a new light signature and a redesigned tailgate for a more cohesive look. Large alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 23 inches, complement the vehicle's muscular profile, offering both elegance and road presence. Inside, the cabin is where the X7 truly shines. BMW has elevated the interior with top-tier materials, including fine-grain merino leather, open-pore wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The dashboard layout has been refined to accommodate the latest iDrive 9 system, which now comes with a curved dual display unit, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. This new system is more intuitive, offering natural voice recognition, over-the-air updates, and deeper integration with smartphone ecosystems like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort in the X7 remains unmatched in its class. The standard configuration includes 3 rows of seating, with an option for second-row captain's chairs. Passengers in all rows enjoy ample space, soft-touch materials, and multi-zone climate control. In the 2026 model, BMW has upgraded the rear seat entertainment system and added new ambient lighting features with customizable color zones, creating a more immersive atmosphere. Active noise cancellation and acoustic glass ensure a whisper-quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X7 offers a choice of powerful and refined powertrains. The base xDrive 40i variant features a 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, producing around 375 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more punch, the M60i model boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, also enhanced with mild hybrid assistance, delivering a robust 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and come standard with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent grip and control in all conditions. Performance-wise, the X7 remains agile for its size. BMW's use of advanced chassis technologies, such as the optional Executive Drive Pro with active roll stabilization and air suspension, allows for a surprisingly smooth and composed ride. The SUV can glide comfortably over rough terrain while still providing the taut, sporty feel that BMW is known for. In the M60i trim, the X7 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4.5 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of its stature. Safety and driver assistance features are top-notch, as expected from a flagship model. The 2026 X7 includes a full suite of advanced systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. New for this year is an improved highway assistant, allowing for limited hands-free driving on select roadways, along with expanded capabilities for the parking assistant professional, which lets the car park itself from outside the vehicle via smartphone app. One of the most appealing upgrades for 2026 is BMW's increased focus on sustainability and connectivity. The interior now includes more recycled materials in non-visible areas, and the vehicle's software supports remote diagnostics, digital key functionality, and compatibility with BM's My Modes, allowing the driver to personalize everything from engine response to interior lighting with a single touch. Fuel efficiency has also seen marginal improvements, thanks to optimized hybrid systems and better aerodynamics. The xDrive 40i model is expected to deliver around 23 mpg combined, while the more powerful M60i comes in slightly lower but still respectable for its class. With a starting price expected around $83,000 for the iDrive 40i and climbing past $110,000 for the M60i with options, the 2026 BMW X7 is undoubtedly a premium investment. But for those who prioritize luxury, space, performance, and cutting-edge technology, it delivers a complete and uncompromising package. Whether ferrying a family across country or turning heads in city traffic, the latest X7 remains a definitive example of what a modern luxury SUV should be: powerful, poised, and polished in every sense.